Are you looking for the best crib netting? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best crib netting on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Baby Crib Tent Safety Net. This baby crib tent safety net is designed to fit a standard crib, 52.25 inch 28.25, and keep your toddler safe from climbing out and falling. It is made with the highest quality and long-lasting materials, strongest net, equipped with high-quality self-locking zippers, and is see-through 360 degrees mesh for a full, wide-angle view of your baby's crib. It is also designed to keep out mosquitoes and insects that could bite or irritate your baby or toddler's delicate skin. It is easy to install, no tools needed, and assembles just like an outdoor tent. What we like: increases sleep quality, safe containment for toddlers, easy assembly, affordable compared to alternatives, sturdy and attractive design. What we don't like: setup can be tricky, durability concerns for travel. Number 2. KIDBIA Crib Tent. The KIDBIA Crib Tent offers parents peace of mind by keeping their little ones securely inside the crib. Its durable polyester and mesh construction ensures that the tent withstands wear and tear while prioritizing safety. You can trust the premium zipper, which prevents your baby from unzipping it from the inside, ensuring they stay safe during sleep. Additionally, the tent fits universally with various crib designs, making setup and storage effortless. This thoughtful design not only protects your child from potential escapes but also creates a comfortable space free from pests, allowing both you and your baby to rest easy. What we like: easy to set up, excellent ventilation, sturdy and durable, affordable price, good visibility for monitoring. What we don't like: cheap zipper quality, material could be better. Number 3. Generic Baby Crib Tent. The generic crib tent is designed to keep your baby safe while sleeping. It effectively prevents your little one from climbing out of the crib, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. This tent also creates a secure sleeping environment by keeping pests and pets away, promoting healthy sleep habits for your child. Installation is a breeze, simply unpack and watch it pop up without any complicated setup. Made from durable, breathable mesh, this tent ensures good airflow and lets you easily monitor your baby's condition from all angles. What we like: easy to set up, safe for active toddlers, effective for climbing prevention, excellent quality, affordable price. What we don't like: challenging to fold, visibility issues with monitor. Number 4. Izybu Baby Crib Tent. The Izybu Crib Tent offers a safe sleeping environment for your baby. It is easy to set up, requiring no special tools. Just spread it out, place it in the crib, and secure it. This crib tent is designed with safety in mind, featuring a sturdy frame that prevents flipping and collapsing, reducing suffocation risks. You can rest easy knowing your little one won't climb out, as the 100% cotton netting securely keeps them in place. Plus, the transparent mesh allows you to easily see your baby while ensuring proper ventilation and comfort. What we like: durable construction, effective safety net, locking zippers, easy installation, good value for money. What we don't like: thin material, potential chewing issues. Number 5. Generic Crib Tent. The generic baby crib tent is designed to protect your baby in multiple ways. The upgraded mesh provides 360 degrees protection, preventing your baby from climbing out of the crib and avoiding getting limbs stuck. The safe and breathable material ensures good air circulation, while the two-way zipper adds security. With easy installation, the tent pops open without the need for a skeleton, allowing for quick setup. The mesh density keeps out unwanted guests, filters strong light, and blocks cold wind, creating a cozy sleep environment for your baby. What we like: durable, breathable material, easy to assemble, secure zipper and ties, effective for restless toddlers. Good value for money. What we don't like. Possible zipper issues. Fabric durability concerns.